In the June gold futures contract today within that metals quadrant, not a very eventful day in terms of just general change on the day, but we did have a decent range up 44 basis points on the high. 1875.90 was that high in the June contract, down to 1863.50, which was down about a quarter of a percent, 21 basis points to be exact. But we do have a 4-day win streak going despite only being up about 0.1% on the close at about 1869.7 or 1869 and change on that closing price. Now it's the fourth consecutive day higher, as I mentioned, beginning its third week higher consecutively. It's only Tuesday. That could turn around, but right now we're up 1.72% on the week as of today, and it's only had 2 negative days since the beginning of May. So it's been a pretty strong recent uptrend, but we're entering a period of seasonal weakness, historical seasonal weakness. Gold actually is strong for about the first 3 weeks of May. But beginning at about the third week of May, and again, these are seasonals. This is all else equal, nothing else affecting the market, which is rarely the case. But historically, gold is strong for the first 3 weeks of May and then peaks around the third week of May, just before the beginning of the fourth week, and falls basically through the second week of June. Now, again, there's other factors going on with precious metals, with all markets really. But when you're looking at commodities, seasonality is a very big factor to take into account, and we're entering a seasonal weak period in, say, the next 10 days for gold. So if gold didn't actually continue to rally higher and break out, it might have a headwind from that seasonal weakness. Now, volatility is also starting to climb a little bit. Looking at the CME CVOL index, which you can find at cmegroup.com, that index started to rise a little bit over the last few days. Now, the CME CVOL index measures the expected risk or volatility of an underlying futures contract based on the information contained in the price of options on that same underlying futures contract. We had gone from about the mid 1620 or so on about April 5th, down to about 1313, and we're back up to 1607 as of the last reading. So that's the highest level since April 5th. And in the meantime, during that fall in volatility, price was grinding higher. Now we got volatility catching up, might be a headwind for gold as well going into that seasonal period.